Arwakni machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jatend piny William Ruto dok ne lek mar Vision 2030 mowacho nosetimo tije maber kendo chopo piny Kenya kama entiere e yore mag dongruok. Kata kamano wacho ni rem mobedo en mano maging'eyo mar biro loso mondo mi sekta duto te odongre. Magino yange kinde chako twak ewi lek mar Kenya tok Vision 2030.
For us to figure out our development. It set out that Kenya should be an industrialized nation, middle income, high quality of life in a safe environment. All the targets we set for ourselves, we have been given a review of where we are on the economic pillar, on the social pillar, on the political pillar, and the enablers. And we have been given a scorecard by the Vision 2030 Secretariat. We have done fairly well in many aspects. We've done well in others more than others. We've been given the figures on the political pillar. We are at 80 plus. I think we have an A. And you can see it. We have a new constitution. We have a robust Bill of Rights. We have a democratic state. We have an open society, a rule of law. We have a working judiciary. We have a civil society that is not constrained, and we have made ourselves a very proud nation. In fact, globally, Kenya is recognized as a democratic country. It is part of the reason why in 2023-24, I paid a visit to America, and the single most important component was the fact that we share in our celebration of freedom and democracy. We have been given indication as to where we are with the economic pillar. In fact, I think of all the pillars, the economic pillar is where we have done not very well, at around 50, I think it was 52, 53%.
Jokanyo motelo ne twak ewi dongruok mar piny Kenya tok lek mag higa 2030 owacho ni sa oromo mar bero lek makamano matero piny Kenya nyaka higa 2060.